In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a book on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Whether you're publishing an ebook or a paperback, the process is pretty straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to create an account on Kindle Direct Publishing, commonly referred to as KDP. If you already have an Amazon account, you can use those credentials to sign in easily. Once you're logged in, you'll need to complete your profile. This involves filling out your author or publisher information, and you'll need to add your payment and tax details. These steps are essential so that you can receive royalties from your book sales once your masterpiece starts flying off the virtual shelves. Now, let's move on to handling your book details and upload. Start by clicking on Create on your bookshelf and choose whether you're publishing an ebook or a paperback. Here, it's time to get creative. Enter your book's title, subtitle, and author name. Don't forget the description, keywords, and categories. These elements are crucial because they help potential readers discover your book in search results. After that, it's time to upload your manuscript. For ebooks, you'll typically want to upload in EPUB or Word document format. If you're publishing a paperback, a PDF is generally the best choice. Take a moment to ensure that your manuscript meets all the KDP specifications because this can save you headaches later. Following this, upload your book cover. If you haven't designed one already, explore using KDP's Cover Creator tool to make it visually appealing. Once your manuscript and cover are uploaded, use the KDP Previewer to check for any errors. This ensures everything appears just the way you envisioned it. Next, we move to setting your publishing rights and pricing. Here, you'll decide in which territories you want your book to be available. You'll also set the price for your ebook or paperback. Be strategic about pricing. It can affect your sales volume and royalties. If you're publishing an ebook, consider enrolling in KDP Select. This program can offer you benefits like higher royalties and inclusion in Kindle Unlimited. However, it does mean committing your digital book sales solely to Amazon for 90 days. Once satisfied with everything, go ahead and hit that Publish button to make your book available to the world. Finally, I've got some extra tips to ensure success. Formatting is crucial, so do adhere to KDP's guidelines meticulously. Make the most of KDP's tools like Kindle Create for formatting and enhancing your book's design. To attract more readers, utilize Amazon's marketing tools, such as setting up an author page and using their advertising options. If you're publishing a paperback, it's smart to order a proof copy to check the print quality before your book goes live. This step ensures that what your readers receive meets your standards. That's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a published author on Amazon. Thanks for tuning in, and I wish you the best of luck with your publishing journey.